Hi, first graders. Today we are working on number 7 for fast math. So make sure you turn to the page that has the number 7 bus on it. All right, number 1 says circle, or starting from the light bulb. So here's the light bulb. Circle the third fish. So starting from here, circle the third fish in. Number 2 says, oh, and this one got a little deleted, so it should look like there's a cloud right here. If yours doesn't look like that, you can draw that cloud in right now. And this one says, circle the kites that are below the cloud. So here's the cloud. Circle the kites that are below the cloud. Go ahead and do that part. The next part, you're supposed to match the answer by drawing the line. So you need to do the addition and then find the problem over here that adds to the same answer. So it's not the same problem, but it's the same answer. So like 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. Which other of these problems equals 8? And then draw a line to match. Then you'll do the next one. Which one has the same answer as 4 plus 5? And then the last one, which one has the same answer to 8 plus 2? Go ahead and do that part on your own. Push pause if you need to. All right, the next part, our story problem says, Terry had 5 pets. Some of them ran away. Now there are 2 pets. How many ran away? All right, let's get correcting. Go ahead and fill this part out if you need to. Push pause, and now we're going to be a teacher and correct our work. So the first one, circle the third fish. Let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the fish you should have circled. The next part, circle the kites that are below the clouds. So there's 2 that are below. One of them's right here, and one of them's right here. The next part, match the answers and draw a line. So we already said 6 plus 2 equals 8. Which other problem equals 8? If you said 7 plus 1, you are correct. So you're going to draw that line. The next one is 4 plus 5. So if I have 5 and I add 4 more, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I need to find another one that equals 9. Well, I know 5 plus 5 equals 10, so it's not that one. Let's try 2 plus 7. I'm going to start at 7 and count 2 more. 7, 8, 9. There it is. So I draw my line. And the next one says 8 plus 2. 8, 9, 10. And we know 5 plus 5 is 10, so we're drawing our line. Awesome. Remember this one said Terry had 5 pets. Some of them ran away. There's our clue. Now there are 2 pets. How many ran away? So if something's running away, that means we are taking away. So do your minus sign for your thought. The next part, what is the information you know? We know the numbers 5 and 2. So write those in there. 5 and 2. What is our plan going to be? So this one's kind of tricky. So listen again. Terry had 5 pets. Some ran away. So we're not sure how many ran away. Now there are 2 pets. So our answer is 2. So we're going to start with 5. We're going to take away some. We don't know how many. So that's where we put our box. And then it's going to equal 2. So if you have 5, how many fingers do you need to put down in order to just have 2 left? So let's see. In order to just have 2 left, I put down 1, 2, 3 fingers. So we could say 3 pets ran away. R-A-N-A-W-A-Y. And then period at the end. Nice job, first graders. See you next time.